You know the saying, right? If the service is free, you're not the customer, you're the product.
In the old web model, your data is the currency, but a new model flips that, putting you back in charge.
Which brings us to a huge problem online, the identity paradox.
Well, a new protocol called UIID is trying to solve it. That's Universal Integrated Identity Decoupled.
It's built on a really cool idea, self-sovereign identity. In short, you control your own data, period.
So how does it work? Just think of it like this, a shield and an anchor. First, your core identity is the anchor. It's kind of like your permanent, super secure digital passport. Then, for every interaction, you create an alias. That's your shield. It's temporary and disposable.
And here's the magic trick. They're decoupled. No one can connect your aliases to your real identity.
Okay, but wait, how do you prove something's true, like your age, without handing over all your data?
It uses something called zero-knowledge proofs. You don't send data, you just send proof that it's true.
All right, that's the theory. But what would a day with UID ID actually look like?
First up, buying a coffee. You know that little fear your card details could get stolen?
With UID, you'd use a disposable alias. If it gets hacked, who cares? The alias is already useless.
Next, you hop on the subway. Right now, that travel card is building a map of your entire life.
UID lets you tap and go totally anonymously. Your trip is verified, but not linked to your real name.
Okay, now for something even more private, your personal health information.
You could prove something like your vaccination status without ever showing your actual medical records.
All these examples are part of a really powerful new philosophy for security.
It's called zero trust. You don't trust, you verify, and you only ever share the bare minimum data needed.
And here's the most important part. You and only you hold the private keys to your identity.
This tech really changes the game. So it makes you wonder, what would actually change for you?